Hello and welcome to another edition of Weekend Review. I'm not going to spend too much time today. I'm just going to review the trades we took over the week, and then I'll do another separate video for the forecast for next week. Alright. With that said, let's jump straight into it. Last week I said I was looking for this pair to drop. Okay, I said I saw some bearishness coming in and I was waiting for this zone to give up. We did get the give up on Thursday, and then it just continued to go down, and then on Friday it just continued. So was it, let's go on to the one I was seeing weekday. Yeah, Thursday it gave up on Thursday, and then Friday continued to go down. The target was, initial target was here, but like I said, probably you might have taken some initial profit, so you know that you've taken out the risk out of the market, but your target is here. So if you're still short, just hold on to it and target there. Okay. I'll do a separate video for the forecast, but for now, nice trade. It's a 3-to-1 trade, so let's hold on to it. It should go down there. Okay, let's jump onto EURCAD and EURCAD. Okay, so initially go and watch the previous videos before you watch it, so you get understanding of what I was looking for. But I said I want to see price rally to that level. Okay, and then once we get to that level, I'll be looking on the lower time frame to see any kind of justification if price wants to go down. I did get that, okay, on the 1 hour, and once I got it, I shared the this trade on Facebook, and I did a video as well. That is where I'm looking for price to go. Initial target was here, and when I did the update on Thursday, I think Thursday or Friday morning, I said that I think Thursday I said I want to see price come below this low. Okay, and it did come there. Friday, when I was updating, I said I'm not looking for price to run this low because it's a low on the daily. I'm not looking for price to run that low. I want to see a bounce to go up first before coming down to take out this low. Okay, admittedly it did take it out on Friday, but it's too shallow, it's too small. Okay, I wanted to take it out. Look at this scenario here. Okay, this low, just project this low here and see this run. That's what I want to see here. So this is just too shallow for me. I think what's going to happen is the bounce that I'm expecting to come in will happen, goes up and then come back down. That's what I want to see. So if we do get a bounce, okay, to back to here, I'll update it during the week. If we do get that, I'll update it. But if we do get a bounce back up into the profit area, okay, I'll be looking for another justification to go back down again. So if I do see that, I'll share that in the another trade review. Okay, for now, just know that the trade is done, so don't take any trade on it because the best trade is to the downside. So let's wait and see if price will push higher, and then we go short again. Right, so that's it for that one. Let's go on to GBPCAD, but before I do that, I want you to take notice of your risk to reward. Okay, because the GBPCAD trade was a loss, but what I want you to pay attention to is the risk to reward trades that you're taking, because you are going to take losses. Let's just jump on to GBPCAD for now. Not this one. I think it's that one. Yeah. Okay. So you are going to take losses in your trade, in your trading career. You will take losses. You can't avoid them, so don't try to avoid them, because if you try to avoid losses, you end up either blowing your account or getting frustrated, and you will not be a good trader. Okay, you will take losses, but it's how you handle them that's what is going to make you or break you. So this trade was a loss, okay, but because it's a loss doesn't mean that it's the end of your trading career. You just have to take it as a loss, just as you take a win as a win. Okay, don't get any emotional attachment to a win or a loss. It's a trade. Okay, so if you take a trade and you win, fine. If you lose, fine, you carry on to the next one. Okay, so this is a case where this trade was a loss and it's fine, okay, because the risk to reward will take care of itself. Okay, so in the New Zealand JPY, New Zealand yen trade, or the Kiwi yen trade, that was a 3-to-1. The EURCAD trade, that was, I think, almost 2.5-to-1, and this was a 1 loss. Okay, so there's a huge difference. You are now up almost 4. Okay, 4 and then 1 loss. I don't want to forecast anything for now, so I'll just say this was a loss and then you take it as a loss. If I see anything that is worth looking at on this pair again, I'll prompt you on either Facebook, or I'll do a review on YouTube. Okay, so just take this as a loss and that's it. Let's go on to copper. This is my favorite trade of the week, okay, because it went straight to the entry and to the target, and that's it. Beautiful. This was another 3-to-1, almost 4. Yeah, so that's additional 3 to your 4 that you had previously, so that's 7. Should be 7 up. It went to the entry, came to the target, and that's it. I still think it has room to go to the downside before rallying, just like I said in my previous video. I want this to go higher, but I want it to retrace. So I'm looking at this level probably for that retracement to end. If we do get pushed back up to this this level here, okay, I'll probably short it again. I'll probably short it again depending on what day we get there. If we do get here, I don't know what price is going to do for now, but if we do get here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will take a short to come down here. Okay, but we don't see that one yet, so I'll leave it as it is, but I'm still looking for more downside. If anything changes, I will prompt you, but for now it's to the downside. Okay, it should come down here, and then once we get here, I'll look for reasons for price to continue going higher. And then next target will be, the first target was here. Okay, when I said it was going up, it was there, and now because that was down here, when did I forecast? I think yeah, I think it was in the 15 minutes. Somewhere here, yeah. I think somewhere down here I said price was going to that level, and we did get there. Okay, and then when we broke down, I said we're coming down. So yeah, it's still got room to the it's still got room to the downside for now. So just bear in mind, it's to the downside for now and then to the upside. Alright, Okay, so that's the business on that. The last one is SOYBEAN. Have I done? Okay, not that one, this one here. That target was there. We did run there handsomely last week, and that's beautiful again to see. I still think this pair wants to go higher, okay, but in the meantime it's gonna go into retracement, just like I'm outlining in copper. Okay, this will go into a retracement. How far? Let's see on the daily. How far? Maybe somewhere in here, but I'll be checking. If going short is counter trading, okay, as much as I don't counter trade, if during the week I don't see anything that I like and this is still high probability, yes, I'll counter trade it. So for now, just know that this should retrace. If we do get a retracement to if we get a retracement here, I'll be looking to go short, probably to come down there. Okay, that'll be a reasonable. See if you get 3 to 1 on that. Yeah, 3 to 1. Okay, even there. Yeah, okay. If we do get pullback there, I'll be looking. I'm not gonna short it, but this is what I'll outline. If you wanna short it, just know that your stop has to be above this high. Okay, stop above this high there, and your target is there, right? And that'll be for this, but for now we just hit our target, so it doesn't make sense to go in for another trade. Relax, chill out, and then wait for high probability ones, which is to the upside. But if you are impatient and you want to trade, probably the setup will be something you might want to look at. I personally wouldn't take it because I've got enough profit over last week. So usually in the past, okay, when do I lose money? I lose money when I've made so many when I've hit so many targets during the week, and then the following week I go in trying to replicate again. It is a feeling that you want to get rid of because it will hurt you. Okay, once you had a good week, just relax and flow with the market. Don't rush to get in, just take your time, and then take high probability trades. Don't feel like you know what you're doing so much that you want to now take every single trade. You don't do that. That's why I'll pass on this, but we will watch it and see if indeed it will play out like I've outlined. Then you can start saying, okay, I like this guy. Yeah, you like me. So for now, just chill out. Okay, watch it and see if you will do this, right? Okay, I think that will be it on this review, because that's what the trades we took last week. I'm going to do a separate one to outline or to forecast what I'm looking for next week, for this coming week, from the 6th of January to the 10th of January. So after you finish watching this, come on to that one and then watch what is going to happen or what I'm looking for next week. Okay, so until then, I'll catch you up in the next video. Take care and bye.